EagleRidge, Provo's premier roofing contractor. EagleRidge is the leading roofing contractor in Provo, serving both residential and commercial clients across the zip codes 84601, 84602, 84603, 84604, 84605, and 84606. Our services are designed to meet a wide range of roofing needs with a focus on quality and reliability. For residential properties, we offer new roof installations, roof repairs and maintenance, roof replacements, comprehensive roof inspections, storm damage assessments and repairs, gutter installations and repairs, ice and water shield installation, soffits and fascia installation and repair, shake shingle sealing and treatment, installation and maintenance of various shingle types, siding installation and repairs, efficient ventilation solutions including attic and roof ventilation, swamp cooler installations and removal, and sealing and caulking to boost energy efficiency and weatherproofing. For commercial properties, we specialize in commercial roof installation and replacement, the EagleRidge Peak Protection Plan for preventative maintenance, flat roof repair and installation, durable metal roofing systems, TPO, EPDM, and other membrane roofing systems, roof coatings for extended roof longevity, soffits and fascia services tailored for commercial buildings, siding installation and maintenance for commercial properties, advanced ventilation solutions for commercial buildings, swamp cooler installations and removal at commercial sites, and commercial-grade sealing and caulking. Located in Utah, EagleRidge is proud to be Utah's premier roofing and construction expert, serving the Wasatch Front, including areas like Orem and Springville. We are committed to providing exceptional roofing services to both residential and commercial clients across Utah County. Our services include roofing solutions for all types of residential and commercial needs, from roof installations, maintenance, and repairs, to emergency services and gutter installations. We use high-quality materials to ensure the best results. Why choose EagleRidge? Our reputation as Provo's premier roofing contractor is built on several key factors. We offer premium materials, skilled technicians, competitive pricing, and clear communication. We focus on quality, timely completion, attention to detail, and long-term savings. Our team guarantees that every project meets the highest standards, and we offer free estimates to all our clients. Discover why EagleRidge is the trusted choice for roofing in Provo. Call us at 801-784-1457 to learn more about our services and see how we can help with your roofing needs.